So hey everyone, welcome to my passion for IT, and today we are going to see how to get started with machine learning. So before getting started, let me introduce myself. Myself Nisak Pipalia. I'm a third year student at the Ramsitisa University. I made few projects on ML like next word prediction using LSTM, end-to-end ML pipelines on Azure, PDF and video summarizers, and a chatbot for government schemes using LangChain and AWS. So if you are willing to connect with me, just pause this video, scan this Linktree QR code, and you would be seeing my socials. So you can just send me a request there. And let us know about the mentors or the guys who have taken the initiative. Dr. Vipul Dabi sir, HOD IT department, and Dr. Arasat Prajapati sir, Associate Professor IT department. So let's get started. So first of all, let me ask you a question. Where is ML present? Where you can see machine learning in your day-to-day life? And if you're not aware about machine learning, just think about terms of AI, which you have seen in your day-to-day life or any movie or any kind of thing, right? Just think it out. So first of all, yeah, ML is present in Mission Impossible. Like Tom Cruise haven't finished this mission if he didn't have this kind cool gadget which uses ML. Like it uses CV to identify or to recognize the eyes of the, we can say, the security guard, and then render the image. But it has problem when we had multiple security guards, right? So yeah, even Tom Cruise needs ML. So where ML is present in day-to-day life, yeah, you can just say it, your voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, Google, Cortana, facial recognition, like most of your mobile phones would be getting unlocked using some face recognition or fingerprint matching software. So yeah, it is also an application of ML. Tesla, or I can say self-driving cars, is an application of machine learning. Recommendation systems like Netflix recommendation or YouTube recommendation or any other social media platform recommendation system, it is also an application of machine learning. Then yeah, like you may have received this ticket or e-memo, like if you are driving rashly or without helmet, you may have received this. So it is also an application of machine learning. It identifies the number plate and just uh, charges you accordingly, right? So why to learn ML? So here's the Google Trends graph from 2004 to, like, I have tried to keep it till 2024. So it's just increase. So it just keep on increasing, right? So if you want to learn how these things works, or if you are willing to make one of these things, or if you are willing to go with this trend, and of course you should learn ML. But before diving into it, let's see where world is in ML. So you may have seen these AR systems, right? Like there's the packaging is such, like they provide the QR code. You need to scan it and you can see what's inside it in 3D, in like a 3D view. Or there are some children's book, like the kid who is going to a play school. They are providing some books like it has a picture of animals and they provide QR code. You just need to scan a QR code, and then in your mobile phone, like wherever you are in the house, you can see that animal would be present in a 3D format. So it's kind of an application of AR. And the robots from Boston Dynamics, yeah, these robots are constantly being trained, and it's a subfield of ML called reinforcement learning. They are based on that technique. Then you have this AWS deep pressure robot, which you need to train to keep the robot on the track. And Marvel fans, hold your breath because we have first AI operating system. And what's its name? It's Friday, right? So even AI is coming in our operating systems. And if any one of you have heard about the NVIDIA, that they are providing a whole LLM inside a GPU, so it's quite amazing, right? And we have quantum machine learning, that is machine learning on quantum computers. So it's just mind blowing. Like IBM has taken it to another level. So let's move forward. So first of all, let's check who should go into the field of ML. Like, are you a right fit for it? So you should be curious because of course it's constantly evolving field. like not only ML but whole IT field is constantly evolving. But the current boom is around ML, so you may see some like daily trend, daily updates in this field. So you should be curious to learn. You should be interested in maths and analysis. A bit of programming proficiency is needed, and a continuous learning mindset. Of course, yeah, if you go into the field of ML without mathematics, it would be something like this. Boom. So subject checklist. So you may need engineering and discrete mathematics, which is taught from SAM 1 to 4 in universities, programming knowledge, basic of DSA, databases in SQL, data analysis, and machine learning itself. So these semesters are like I have just mention the numbers of the semester and the subjects which are taught in our university, and it may be different in your university. So what is machine learning? So it's nothing just applied probability and statistics, but it's performed by machine, so it would be more quicker and more precise. In deep learning you may need linear algebra and calculus, but deep inside it's all maths, everywhere maths. So let's see where machine learning lies. So AI or artificial intelligence is the umbrella which holds all these things as a subparts or subtopics of AI, that is ML, DL, CV, NLP. Machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. See, you can just consider this ML or DL as a mind of a robot. You can consider NLP, that is natural language processing, as a mouth and ear of a robot. Like it listens to something, it just processes it, and it then just speak. So that is this whole thing comes under natural language processing, and what it sees, like what a robot would see, would come under computer vision. So you can just consider our AI as a robot, deep learning and machine learning as its brain, NLP as its ability to listen and speak, and computer vision as its ability to see the world. So how to get started? First of all, learn mathematics like linear algebra, statistics, calculus, etc. Whatsoever is needed. Then learn Python as it's much used language in machine learning. Then learn NumPy, learn pandas, learn matplotlib for visualization purpose, learn scikit-learn because it contains most of the ML algorithms which you would be just using by just importing from sklearn and yeah, just trying it around. Then learn Flask. See, we have learned the basic of ML. Now you need to showcase your work to the world, like you made something. So how would you be showcasing it? Using Flask. So Flask is nothing but a Python framework using which you can just serve your ML model. You made a ML model, then you can create a web app where you can just serve it so people can visit your web app and use your ML model, and that can be done using like not only Flask but any other Python framework like Django or Fast API. But Flask is quite lightweight and basic, so you can use it and then just explore this field by yourself. So now let's level up our game to deep learning. So first of all, shameless self-promotion. You can just follow me on GitHub like Nisak Pipalia, and there's a my repo material. You can find some roadmaps and such kind of things like cheat sheets in it. First of all, learn the basics of deep learning, like what are the deep learning models, algorithms, and such things. You can just learn the maths of it. Then you need to choose a path that you would be going with TensorFlow or Python. Just try both of this, and whichever would be a right fit for you, just learn with it. And once you get into the firm, you would be following the framework which the firm is following or which your client needs, right? So just try out whichever is best fit for you and just move along with it. See, there is no certification for core ML skills, right? But if I were to recommend, you can take this machine learning course by IBM, which is on Coursera, and you can have the certificate for your core ML skills. Then you can apply or you can take any one of these examinations, AWS ML specialty, Azure data scientist, or GCP's ML engineer. This exam would not only be testing you on your ML skills, but also on the skills of the ML services provided by these cloud vendors. So why to do certifications? Because of course everyone needs validation. Even we test and validate our ML models after training it. So it's time to test yourself. So here is a list of companies which work in field of AI in Gujarat, that are Intuitive Cloud, Moon Technolabs, Acumon, Samyak, and Rapidops. Then companies working in field of AI in India, Trigma, Talentica, Prolichus, and Qbust. And of course, it's homework time. So I have given this homework when I just presented the PPT in my university. So just find the applications which are backed by machine learning in our campus and identify the problems that can be solved using machine learning in our campus. So yeah, you can just try it for your campus or your home, etc. Right? So here are the few resources or the free YouTube channels which you can follow to learn machine learning. So the first one is StatQuest by Josh Starmer, then Normalize Nerd, Nicholas Ranate, Krish Nayak, Code Basics, Google's DeepMind, Google Research, and IBM Tech. So this first line is you can just use all these guys or all these YouTube channels to learn machine learning, and these three to keep you yourself updated with the field of ML. Right? So thank you for listening to me. Have a great day.